Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Affinity to its default setting on your Windows PC. So you want to go ahead and press and hold Control on your keyboard. And if you have Affinity on your desktop, you just need to press Control on your keyboard, hold it, and then double click on Affinity on your desktop. If it's on your taskbar, you just need to do the same. Just simply press and hold the Control key on your keyboard and just click on it from your taskbar. The important thing is that once you press to open Affinity, you still hold on Control. Let me show you. So I'm going to press Control on my keyboard right now and just double click on Affinity on my desktop. And I still keep it until it pops up and says clear user data. Now, all you have to do if you want to reset it to its default, just go ahead and click select all for everything and then click and clear. This is going to clear every single settings data that you have, even your login credentials that you have, so you'll be able to log in fresh. So if you're having problems with Affinity and you don't know what it is that you messed up and you just want to have a clean setup of Affinity, you don't want to reinstall it to have those changes made, but just want to reset it to its default, go ahead and select all and then click on clear. And that's it guys. That's how you go ahead and reset Affinity to its default settings.